we are going to understand the chapter coordinate geometry. So from the chapter's name, that is, this is coordinate. Coordinate means x and the y axis. So in coordinate geometry, there is a point, and the point is represented by two values. The first one is x. First one is the value of x axis. The point on the x axis, suppose this is your graph, and this is your x axis, and this is your y axis. Suppose there is a point A. So this point is represented by two values. The first one is the value on the x axis, and the second one is the value on the y axis. Suppose this is 2 on x axis and this is 3 on y axis. So the point A is represented by 2, 3. Okay, so the first one is the x coordinate and the first one is the y coordinate. Okay, we also call the point on the x axis as abscissa and the point on the y axis as ordinate. Okay, so the first question that comes from coordinate geometry is based on distance formula. Okay, so what is distance formula, why it is used? Suppose there are 2 points on a graph. Okay, the first point is A, whose coordinates are x1, y1, and the second point is B, whose coordinates are x2, y2, and we have to find the distance between these 2 points. Okay, this is actually a straight line, and a straight line is always represented by 2 points. When we join these 2 points, it became a straight line. Okay, so we have to just find the distance between A and B, or we can also say that we have to find the length of this straight line. Okay, so this we can find the length or the distance between A and B with the formula that is called a distance formula. Okay, so here we have written the formula AB. AB means the distance from point A to B equals to under root x1 minus x2 का whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, so the x1 is from the point A and minus the x2, that is the abscissa of the point B. So this is the formula of finding the distance between these 2 points. We have to just put the values of x1, x2 and y1, y2. Here we have taken x1, y1, and here x2, y2. It is a general, but when you will solve the question, you will mainly get the points like this. Suppose A 2, 3 and B 4, 5. According to that, we have to put the values and we can find the distance between these 2 points.